DIY Home Improvement Crash Course, DIY Home Decor and Styling. Introduction. Welcome to the DIY Home Improvement Crash Course on DIY Home Decor and Styling. Your home is a reflection of your personal style and taste, and DIY home decor projects allow you to unleash your creativity and transform your living space. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch, update outdated decor, or completely revamp your home style, DIY home decor projects are a fun and cost-effective way to achieve the desired look. In this crash course, we will share interesting stories, provide an overview of the top 12 DIY home decor and styles, and inspire you to embark on your own decorating journey. Get ready to unleash your inner designer and create a space that truly feels like home. Stories and examples. 1. The Thrill of Upcycling. A homeowner discovers an old, worn-out wooden dresser at a thrift store. With a little imagination and some sanding and painting, they transform the dresser into a stunning statement piece that becomes the focal point of their bedroom. 2. The magic of gallery walls. A family collects their favorite photographs, artwork, and mementos and creates a gallery wall in their living room. The eclectic display adds a personal touch and becomes a conversation starter for guests. Top 12 DIY home decor and styles. 1. Accent wall. Create a focal point by painting or wallpapering a single wall in a bold color or pattern. 2. Upcycled furniture. Give old furniture a new lease on life by repainting, reupholstering, or adding decorative elements. 3. Gallery wall. Display a collection of artwork, photographs, and memorabilia in an artistic arrangement on a wall. 4. Statement lighting. Replace ordinary light fixtures with eye-catching chandeliers, pendant lights, or unique DIY creations. 5. Customized shelving. Build or repurpose shelves to fit your space and style, adding both functionality and visual interest. 6. DIY artwork. Create your own artwork using various mediums such as painting, drawing, or collage. 7. Textile crafts. Make your own throw pillows, curtains, or table runners using fabrics and sewing techniques. 8. Vintage and rustic charm. Incorporate vintage or rustic elements into your decor, such as repurposed crates, antique frames, or distressed finishes. 9. Indoor plants and greenery. Bring life and freshness to your space by incorporating indoor plants and creating unique plant displays. 10. Bohemian style. Embrace a boho-inspired look with colorful textiles, patterns, macrame, and natural materials. 11. Minimalist design. Create a clean, clutter-free space with simple lines, neutral colors, and a focus on functionality. 12. Coastal and nautical vibes. Infuse your home with a beachy feel by incorporating elements like seashells, rope, and a palette of blues and whites. Summarization. DIY home decor projects offer a wonderful opportunity to add personality and a style to your living space. From accent walls to upcycled furniture, gallery walls to statement lighting, there are countless ways to express your creativity and transform your home. Whether you prefer vintage charm, minimalist design, or a bohemian oasis, the top 12 DIY home decor and styles provide inspiration for every taste and budget. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your tools, and embark on a DIY journey to create a space that truly feels like home. Poem. In a world of creativity, our homes do speak. With DIY home decor, we let our spirits peak. Upcycling old treasures, a tale of transformation. Personalized spaces, our own design sensation. Accent walls painted, bold and bright. Drawing focus, a vibrant delight. Upcycled furniture, a touch of flair. Repurposing beauty, beyond compare. Gallery walls, memories on display. Artistic arrangements, come what may. Statement lighting, illuminating grace. Dazzling fixtures, a stylish embrace. Customized shelving, functional and fine. Displaying treasures, yours and mine. DIY artwork, a masterpiece to create. Brushstrokes of love, on canvas we sate. Textile crafts, sewing stories to be told. Throw pillows and curtains, patterns unfold. Vintage charm and rustic appeal. Antiques in distress, a visual zeal. Indoor plants, nature's soothing balm. Greenery and life, our homes embalm. Bohemian vibes, colorful and free. Macrame and patterns, a vibrant spree. Minimalist design, simplicity unveiled. Clean lines and serenity, our senses hailed. Coastal and nautical, a beachy retreat. Seashells and blues, a salty sweet. DIY home decor, a journey we embrace. Unleashing our creativity, finding our space. So let's adorn our homes, with love and care. Creating havens, where memories we share. Song. Verse 1. In a world of DIY, we find our own way. Decorating our homes, in colors that sway. Upcycling treasures, with love and devotion. Creating a space, that's filled with emotion. Chorus. DIY home decor, let your spirit soar. Express your creativity, like never before. Accent walls and upcycled furniture. Creating a home, that's truly a pleasure. Verse 2. Gallery walls, a story on display. Capturing memories, in a beautiful array. Statement lighting shining so bright. Transforming our space, day and night. Chorus. DIY home decor, let your spirit soar. Express your creativity, like never before. Accent walls and upcycled furniture. Creating a home, that's truly a pleasure. Bridge. Customized shelving, displaying with pride. DIY artwork, where imagination can't hide. Textile crafts and vintage charm. Bringing character, with a rustic alarm. Chorus. DIY home decor, let your spirit soar. Express your creativity, like never before. Accent walls and upcycled furniture. Creating a home, that's truly a pleasure. Outro. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. A = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.